Okay, hi. My food is good enough for a dog. In Las Vegas, it's about $14. Okay, District 1. Okay, look how big this is. Okay, what do you like? Okay, there's 5 pieces. This is a smaller version, by the way. Okay, it's about $8 sandwich somewhere. Garlic. Okay, it's 150 grams of 3 meats on here, and you got olive oil. Okay, on it. Okay, red wine vinegar. Okay, very expensive with a bunch of herbs. All right. So here, I'm going to give you one because you're the star of the show. Okay. Okay, here you go. 0399785780. Very good. You want? Huh? Here. Come here. Nong, nong. Oh. Look. Stay here. Yeah, I know about dogs. Come here. Picky. A picky dog. Okay. Well, we're not dogs. Okay, this isn't that much processed. All this is real. Even a little bit fat. Okay, it's all real. It's not processed. This is ham too in there. Okay. And this is about 35% a mixed grain with white. Okay? Bon appetit.